Hello, have you been searching for someone to tell you the digital marketer success story? Well, look no further because I'm Ellen McShane and I'm going to share with you all the answers for you to reach your digital marketer dream of success. About 3 years ago, I decided I needed to be a digital marketer, and I was fortunate. I found Gloria McDonald and her training program and affiliate program, and as a result, I have earned thousands of dollars over this past 3 years. And now, the best news for you is that Gloria McDonald has created a brand new program that is going to make sure you are successful. It's the Digital Marketer Success Network. And it's meant for digital marketers, affiliate marketers, network marketers, coaches, anyone that wants to be online earning money. And by joining this program, you're going to have access to various weekly live training calls. You're going to be able to access a list of courses that you can take online. You'll be part of workshops. You'll be able to sit in on interviews. You're going to be able to make sure that you have all the skills you need so that you can succeed. You'll be exposed to the latest state-of-the-art AI technology and an endless list of new opportunities to make sure that your success is in your hands. So I would encourage you to click on the link with this video so that you can opt in to what I think is going to be a phenomenal opportunity for you. Because one of the major things is that you'll be able to earn money while you're learning, because you can recruit new people into the program and have up to a 55% commission for each person that enrolls. And that is phenomenal. And you'll get a $25 fast start bonus for anyone that pays the first month's price of $49. But then after that, you can opt into 3 packages starting at $9.95 a month. So don't hesitate. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity to learn with a vibrant community of marketers where we care about each other, we want each other to succeed, and we're just sharing new information all the time. So take advantage, click on the link that's connected to this video so that you can make sure you create your own digital marketing success story. Thank you so much.